Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about a new topic called as internal class, which is internal in the sense it's an access modifier. So it's a new access modifier that have added by Microsoft. If you can also check that in Microsoft documentation. So what is the use of this internal class? Because we already know about public, private, and protected, right? So what is this internal is basically it was in C hash code. So then after they have also added, I mean Microsoft have added in X++ coding as well. So what is this use of this internal class is like consider, let me just give a small example. Just give me a second. Okay, consider a model called X. Okay, X is one model, and consider one more model called Y. Okay, so now this X model and Y model, let's say I in X model I have created a new class and made this class as internal. Okay, made this class as internal. Now if I wanted, or if I'm trying to access this class in the Y model, okay, if I'm trying to access this class, let's say there's a class 1 with method called some method 1, okay, and I wanted to access this class method in the Y model. So you can't access, because this, if you declare this as internal, that is going to access only for this X model. Let's say if you have created one more new class in a X model and try to access this method, class method, you can access. But if you try to access it from the different model, you are not going to access that, and you will be getting the error that you cannot be accessed because the method is internal or the class is internal. Okay, so that's how the internal access modifier works. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.